In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to bulk rename your WordPress site. Before going to the tutorial, I will introduce to what is bulk renaming. As you can see on my screen, here is the site name is Zentech, and I want to remove this word from all over the website, and I want to give a new name to my website. If you go to my menu bar here, it's also available as a page. And if you go with the library section here, my all images are named with Zentech. So I want to give it a new name. If you go to my URL, I want to update my URL also with the new name. It's Zentech and I want to give a new name to it. So I will go to the page and you can see everywhere it is used Zentech. Even in the content section, it's also with the Zentech. So I want to remove Zentech from all over the website. What we want to achieve is, I will show you in a sec. As you can see on the screen, I want to give a new name like Protect. That is called bulk rename. If you see SKU part here, it's also convert to new name and URL also updated with the new name. I will go to my library and product page as well. So here is the products page. As you can see, all the products are updated without any cost. So that's what we want to achieve. That is the library section that is also updated. So that is called bulk renaming. Now I will show you the table of contents. Now next part is that why we want to bulk rename. What are the scenarios? Before we jump into the how to, let's quickly understand why you might need to bulk rename your WordPress site. So it could be for any reason like rebranding, enhancing SEO by updating file names and alt text, or simply you want to organize your media library. So it could be for any reason. So let's go to the steps that are involved. So first step is we are going to use a plugin that is called Better Search Replace plugin. Then we have to update our database. We are going to use a third-party app that is called Renamer app, or we have a second option as well. If you don't want to use Renamer app, you can use the custom code. Whichever is easy for you, you can use. So first we are going to do first step, that is Better Search Replace plugin. We go to our dashboard, plugins, and we have to upload this plugin or download, or I already uploaded. So we will go to tools, Better Search Replace, and now it is asking for what you want to search. So we want to search Zentech, as we want to replace this word. So we will search this on our website and replace it with the new name Protect. And now we will select all the tables here, select all, because we want to remove from all over the website. So that's why we select all the tables. Now we will move down. We will say case insensitive. That means that if somewhere Zentech is used in small letter, it should also be changed to Protect. So first we run as dry run. It means no changes will be made, allowing you to check the result beforehand. So we will run. It is saying that 161 cells were found that need to be updated. Okay, so we will go down and ask it, okay, let's run and replace. So 161 cells changed in 120 updates. So it replaced our Zentech to Protect. So we will simply go to our media, and you can see all the media names are changed to our new name, and all text or file names also changed. So we will go to our website here and shop page. You can see all the data is changed to Protect now, all the content. Okay, this is the page. You can see it's also changed. And if I go a particular URL like this image, you can see our URL also updated with the new name. But the problem you can see here is that all the images are broken. So here we need the second step to solve this issue. We have to update our database. Second step, that is we have to update our database. And second steps, we have two options. This is the option one. We are going to use third party app, that is Renamer app. We will open the app. I already downloaded it from the Google. I open the app and this is the interface it gives you. So we just have to simply click here, find and replace, and it gives you this option here. I already clicked and that's why it's available here. If you can't see, just press here and it will open. Now I will go to my site. This is DTS and I will ask it go to site folder. So I will open my site folder. As you can see, it's open. I will go to WP content. This is the folder that is having all the content. I will just drag and drop this folder into the app. Okay, I will close this and just drag and drop our WP content folder here. Now the next step is we have to choose this option here, all files recursively, because we want to update our files, its subfolders and all the files and its content as well. So that's why we have to choose this one. Now it will bring all the data here. So files are adding, all the files are added now. Now we will say it that find Zentech and replace it with Pro. That's it. Now we will go here and press on this button and it will update all the files with the new name, that is ProTech. We just simply press it and files renamed successfully. We will close this app and go back to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. Now we will simply refresh the page and you can see all the images are working. If I go to page, you can see this image also available and the URL also working properly, images are back, so everything is working fine and perfectly. So now we will go to our second option to update our database. So as you can see, all the images are broken here. We have to solve this issue now with code. So we will go to our local WP, go to our site folder, app, public and WP content. We will go to this folder and here I put a file with the name of rename underscore files dot sh. Now I will open this file and this file have this code which will work to update our database. So basically I define here two strings. One is called old string and the second is called new string. So I will tell it which one is our old string. In my case, our old string is Zen Tech and I want a new name to our website that is called Pro. Simply we will save this file and close it. Now we will go back to our site here, local WP interface, and we will select here open site shell. So when we click on open site shell, it opens this dialog box here that is called terminal and it is available in every computer. Some I think so in Windows it's called bash. And I will go here and you see here it is saying that we are in right now public directory, but what we want to update our WP content folder. So we have to go there because I show you that I put the file in WP content folder, the code file. So that's why we have to go there. We will write here cd WP content and press the enter. Now as you can see on the screen, we are right now in WP content. For to make sure that things are right, we will say ls. That means we want to see the list, okay, which one folders are available in this. So it gives us the list. It has these files and we can see here that our file is available here, that is rename underscore files dot sh. So now next step is we have to run this app. So to run this app we have a command that is chmod plus x. You have to give space here, okay? chmod space plus x, then space, then file name, rename underscore files dot sh. Simply press the enter here. Now our file is running, okay? Our file is running in wp content folder. Now we have to execute our code in this file. To execute the file we will just say dot slash and file name, rename underscore files dot sh, and just simply press the enter. As you can see, it gives us something back, that is file names updated Zentek to ProTech. Okay, now we will go back to our dashboard and see our website that it's updated or not. Okay, we will see the result now. So first we will go to media library, and you can see all the names are updated and all the images are working fine. So that's called bulk renaming. And now we'll go to our products. You can see every image is working fine and all the names are updated. SKU part is also updated. Now we will go to our website. This is the page ProTech. We will open this first and you can see every content from our website changed. We will go to shop page. All the shop products are updated with the new name. Now we will go to particular product. Everything is working fine. Everything is updated. Our URL is also working. Our code also worked well, and I will give this code in the description box. Now we have a question answer session, that why we not use any plugin to rename our website. So when we have a big website and we have thousands of images, we can't go with the plugin, because with the plugins I tried a lot of plugins and we have to do manually one by one everything to rename. So that's why we choose this process. And the second is why we choose code over the renamer app. So we choose code because with the code we just have to simply put the file in the particular folder which we want to update and run the terminal. That's it. That's, I think that's really easy step. So that's why we choose the code over the app. So that's all in this tutorial. I hope so you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.